Okay, if you can see, the tile's up, the grouting is well underway. If you can kind of tell. I decided I wanted a darker grout. I like it. Other people may not, but I like it. I think it brings out the color of the tile, the brown, little veining stuff through it. That's just kind of pretty. And David is, how many tiles do you have left to do?
3 seams. And 9 tiles it is, but 3 seams.
Okay. And how's it been going so far?
Good, I guess. Cleanup it sucks. Putting it in is easy. Cleaning it up's the hard part.
Yes, we have 2 buckets going. So when one is dirty, I take it out and dump it and clean the sponge and fill it up with clean water. And of course it's pouring down rain outside right now, which just adds to the whole fun experience, but that's kind of how it's going. Would you work with large tile again in the future?
If my sweetheart wants it, I would.
No, if your sweetheart doesn't know any difference. Well, the kitchen floor will be different. That's going to be a much smaller tile, but the challenge been 10-foot ceilings. He has
10-foot ceilings and big tile.
And big tile, and he's had to create this little
And tiny, tiny grout lines.
1/16 of an inch,
Yeah.
which we're hoping.
I don't recommend. It's too easy to see all the imperfections in it.
Okay. But
This
let's.
fat line you can't tell. Oh crap! I'm painting your ceiling.
Oh, let me zoom in on this one. Another touch-up. We've got a long list of touch-ups. That's just how it goes. But I think it looks pretty awesome. And I think you've already gotten everything else. We're still kind of, it's just kind of whatever. Toilet's still functioning, flushes, which is nice. The vanity's working. We decided we really love the faucet. It's pretty cool. And we still need to, I need to do a second coat of paint, and then still need to do all of the molding or the trim and all that kind of jazz. All needs to happen, but the tile was a priority so we can actually take showers instead of
Sponge baths.
well, I'm taking showers with our lovely family. Kyle and Amy have been gracious enough to let us shower there, so that's been nice. And yeah, it's Christmas Day, ho ho ho, and
Bar humbug.
so he's hoping to get this done. The floor won't be done. We still need to do the floor. It still looks awesome, but we'll be done in time. Then we'll go to Kyle and Amy's for Christmas dinner. We'll take showers there and have a nice hot meal, so it'll be a lovely Christmas Day. But so far the morning has been pretty busy. Any final words? We'll come back and once it's all done to another video, but anything else you'd like to share?
Not that I want to share.
Nothing positive at this moment in time. Okay, so I'll sign off, and again we'll be back once we get some more finalized stuff. But I think it looks really pretty. It's going to be great.